So to bake a cake, you need 2 Oreos, bread, flour. If you want, you can take more. 2 eggs and sugar. And this is baking powder, butter, milk. That's it. So I have grinded the bread and Oreo. I have added all the ingredients, and this is how the mixture looks now. So I've been boiling the milk for the whipping cream to decorate the cake, and here is the cream. So this is the drain part for the whipping cream. Okay, boiling more. Now I'm keeping the mixture inside the microwave. For 30 minutes. See it. So this is the end product, but it's like little bit broken this side because turned it. Now I have to take it out. Take it out, please. Can you please help me to take it out? Turn it upside down. Okay. We put the cream in the mixer. Now I'm going to grind it. It's done. These are some Oreo biscuits. That's all. Now
Frosty
it's
chocolate
done.
cake.